Hello guys, welcome back to the science lessons. Our lessons for today will be about acids and bases. First of all, let me remind you some things about the previous lesson which was about a compound. We say the compound is the matter that made up from two or more atoms from different kinds of elements. And today, the compounds will divide into two groups. Okay, the first group is acids group and the second one it's a base group. How you know that chemical compound is acids or a base? By some property that they have it, which groups have special properties. By those property you can find out which one is it. First one, we will start from the acid group. Acid is the compound that Acid is a compound that react easily with other substance and turn litmus blue paper to red. It means when you put litmus paper, it's a paper, okay, with a blue color, the color will be changed to the red color. And the taste of acid compounds is sour. But don't ever taste the chemical compounds. Be careful because they are dangerous and the chemicals are poison and they can destroy skin, other body tissue. However, many fruits contain what? Many fruits contain the weak acids. It means those fruits that we eat, it contain acid. For example, orange, lemon, limes, all contain a citric acid. Citric acid is the one type of acid. That's why they are called the citrus fruits. It means those fruits, they are called what? They are called citrus fruit. An apple contain what? Contain the malic acid. Another property of acid is what? Is also react easily with base. That's all about acids. Now we have base. Base is the compound that also react easily with other substance, but turn red litmus paper to what? To blue. It means there's different. Acids was a red and here it's a blue. That's why I highlighted by acids by red and bases by blue. And the taste of bases is as a bitter. Okay, the taste of bases is a bitter. Example for base is in soaps or detergents like a cleaner's house. Okay, and bases like acid is a chemical compound. That's why you cannot eat it or drinking them because it will be destroy our bodies too. What the meanings of indicators? Indicators are often used to find out if a chemical is an acid or a base. It means litmus paper is one of the indicators because by the litmus paper we can find out the chemicals is acid and base. Indicators, all the indicators job is what? Is the finding out the chemical is an acid or a base. And here we have we have a wide range indicator. Wide range indicator is another indicator that show us a variety of color to indicate the strength of acids and base. It means by this wide range we can finding the strength of acid or base. We can finding the acid is strong or weak, or base is strong or weak. In that picture we have an apple And apples, it's contain what? Contain a malic acid, and that one cleaner, glass cleaner, it's contain a base that's ammonia. In the picture, there is a property of acids. You have to draw it and you have to know about the acid's property. Acid is a sour, it means that the taste of acid is what is a sour, and here acid in lemon, example for it, it's in lemon, and when you put the blue litmus paper, it will be changed to the red color. And here we have base. Base, it's a difference from the acid. Example for base, it's a green tea and coffee. And the base's taste is a what? It's a bitter. Okay, it's a bitter. And when you put the litmus paper, red litmus will be changed to the blue color. In here we have indicator. That one, it's a what? It's a wide range indicator, which is a market by what? Which is a market by number. Those number are what? Are pH number. They are pH number, pH scale. And this color, it's a what? It's a wide range indicator. By this color, we can indicate the strengths of acids and base. For example, here we have a what? We have lemon juice. Lemon juice, when you put litmus paper on lemon juice, the litmus paper colors will be like an orange. The orange color will start from the number 2 here. It means if it's be here, it means the color it be acid. Because of what? Because of acid's pH, it's between the 0 to 7. And the base's pH, it starts from the 7 to 40. Okay, it means when a chemical compound has a pH between the 0s to 7, it be what? It be acid. When the chemicals compound has a pH between 7s to 40, it be a base. And here we have what? Here we have vinegar. The vinegar color, when you put the litmus paper on it, the vinegar's color, it will change to the yellow. Yellow will start from the number 3. If it's be number 3, it means it's an acid. And here we have a what? We have a distilled water. Distilled water, when you put the litmus paper on it, it will change to a green color. And this green color, it will start from the 7. When it be 7, it means it's a neutral. It's not a base and it's not an acid. That's why we can say to it neutral. And here we have what? We have a disinfectants like many soaps that its color is a purple. The purple will start from the 9. It means that one, it's a base. And here we have a household cleaning. This household cleaning's color is a dark purple. Dark purple will start from the 11. It means that pH is 11. When the pH it be 11, it means that chemical compound is a base. Because as I explained it, the pH of base, it will start from the 7s to the 40. And pH of acids will start from 0 to the 7. And the strongest acids has the pH of 0. The strongest ones of acids has a pH of 0. If you go to the right side, the acidity of the chemicals compounds will be less because of you will be close to the base. But here, when you go to the right side, the base, it will be more strong. Because of what? Because of the strongest base has the pH of 14. And you have to know that by the pH scales, if you go to from the zeros to the sevens in an acid, it means the acidity will be less. But that things in a basis, it's the opposite. And here, when equally strong acids and the base neutralize each other's, when you have a strong acid with a strong base, what will be happen? They neutralize each other's and they will produce a chemical compound. You have to call it a salt, like a what? Like a hydrochloric acid will mix with a sodium hydroxide. When they will mix, they both are strong. When they mix, they will produce a salt, NaCl. Here you have a questions, and this questions it be your homework. Uses of acids and bases. We have what? We have some uses of acids and the bases. Acids and bases are necessary parts of everyday life. Because of what? Many process of life process of plants and animals or humans are rely on the acids. For example, our stomach produce a hydrochloric acid. This acid will destroy or breaking down the foods. It means it will digest our food. That's why our lives is rely on the acids. And some acids are naturally in the fruits, like a lemons, like a orange, like a limes. And sometimes the acids will be added to the food. Because of what? Because of if you want to make a taste, sour taste, you can add the acids to it. Like which drink, which foods, like a carbonated drinks. Carbonated drink is like a Coca-Cola, Pepsi, those stuff. And here we have James and candy. Those can be make it a sour by added the acids. And here we have what? Acids are also used in the productions of food such as cheese. It means it be used for the cheese productions and even for pain relievers such as aspirin. It means it's contain acids, and acid is used to the manufacturers of fertilizer and explosive, and they are used in the productions of dyes cotton. And also the acids increase the resistance of what? Of dyes to lights. It means our clothes contain the acids. If this acids, these acids do increase the resistance of dyes to light. It means don't let the colors of our clothes be removed by the washing. Okay, and those are property or uses of acids. Here we have the uses of bases. Base play a major part in manufacturing like acid. Besides using in soaps and cleaners, they are important in what's in cement. Cement is used for a building house, those stuff, and they are used in a paper making and petroleum refining. And also both acids and base are used in manufacturers of rayon. Rayon, it's look like manufacturing of cotton productions. Okay, and here we have another property Another uses of acids and bases together. It's important in what's in developing photographic film. In a developing photographic film. Because of what? Because of those solutions that contain the bases and that cause the negative images to appear on the film. It means it's helpful for appearing the film, the photos or the images of the photo. And the acids, what the acids do in that situation, the diluted acid is used to neutralize the base. They add acids to neutralize the base and prevents any further developings. Here we have a questions. Name 3 uses of acid and base in manufacturing. Right now I explain it just in manufacturing. Write 3 uses of acid and base in what's in manufacturing. It be homework, and those reviews questions it be homeworks too. Hope you understand it well. Bye bye.